What's up, everybody? We just got to Valleyfair, parked right next here to the Impulse coaster. You can park right next to it. Look at that. I'm parked right here. Anyway, gonna have a great day today. There's not very many people here. If you can see the parking lot, pretty empty. There's a lot of people coming in now, but I think we're gonna have a good day here at Valleyfair. So we'll get some rides, so all new credits. Let's get after it. All right, so just got off of Wild Thing for the very first time. I rode in the front car with the third seat. Not bad, it had some good air time. Had some, I don't know, questionable transitions, but they were not bad. The air time was all right. I would ride it again. I mean, it's what do you have in this park? So it's a good ride for this type of park, a smaller park. I can't wait to get some rides on it in the very front and also the back. So yeah, I would say it's definitely a decent ride here. All right, so just got off my ride on Renegade, first time. What an awesome ride. It was a little bit bumpy, not as smooth as like say your Mystic Timbers, but that's given as it's a little bit older. Still a great ride. So far, better than Wild Thing, so best coaster in the park so far for Valleyfair. So excited to get some more rides on it. That twisted drop is really cool. I wasn't expecting that really. So can't wait to get some more rides on Renegade. Yeah, there's just a bald eagle flying over here. Huh? How about that? All right, so just got off my first ride on Excalibur in the very back. My first experience with that Aero coaster. It was rough in the back. It was really jerky. The transitions were kind of terrible. I'll check out a different seat. Maybe I'll try the front, somewhere in the middle, see if it's any better. But yeah, Excalibur, getting rough. I can see why those rumors are going around that they might take it out. It's not the smoothest ride, at least in the back, so I'll hold judgment until I get some more rides. Closed today. Thunder Canyon. As you can see, there's no water going. Looks like a pretty cool rapids ride, but we won't get on it today. Through the tunnel we go. right, so we got today the pizza from Mama Chetta's. So let's try it out. Pizza, 2 pieces of pizza and a breadstick.
A few moments later.
1 piece down. 2nd piece. Yep, not gonna do it. Not good. Breadstick's good though. Clint Novak, where are you at? Are you over here operating this ride? If anybody doesn't know, Clint Novak from Happily Ever Novak and In the Loop used to be a ride operator here. Now you know. All right, just got off my ride of Mad Mouse, right behind me, right there. I rode in the back, and yeah, nothing to write home about. 1 and done. That's about it. Snoopy. All right, just got off of High Roller. That was fun. That might be the smoothest roller coaster in this park so far. So, thumbs up for the High Roller. Hi, Peppermint Patty. Who's ready for an air looper? Corkscrew is next. Please help. Just got off of Corkscrew back there. Not bad at all. I was expecting the worst and got a pleasant surprise out of that coaster. Not rough at all. Not like Corkscrew at Cedar Point. That one's definitely rewritable, so I give you props, Valleyfair, on that. And not open today would be the Wave. As you can see, the boat is stuck on the hill. This happened to us at Kennywood last year too. A lot different ride, or not different, but bigger at Kennywood, but still. Both parks, new parks for us, last year and this year. No shoot to shoot. That's too bad. Just got off of Steel Venom right there. Pretty good, really forceful. Is it crazy that Intamin, there they go. Is it crazy that an Intamin impulse coaster might be the best coaster in the park? It might be. Guess who won't be doing the Larson loop? I won't be. No thank you. Not a credit in my opinion. This is delirious. All right, that's going to end our day here at Valleyfair. After a few hours here, we got 2 rides on Wild Thing, 2 rides on Renegade, and 1 ride on everything else. I will say that, what surprised me? High Roller was awesome. I think it was more, it really surprised me. It was very smooth. Renegade was awesome, and so was Wild Thing. Excalibur kind of let me down. I rode it, and it was a little bit rough, but you know, I know that the days are numbered for those aero coasters, so we'll see how long that lasts here. But yeah, we'll be back eventually. Ashley's got to get her credits, so we'll be here again. Hopefully there'll be something else new here. But yeah, that's going to do it for our day. Valleyfair was a really small park. It was still a lot of fun, very clean. I wouldn't travel there just for the park by itself again. But I did end up putting Renegade in my top 20 coasters. I have it ranked at 13, so that was awesome. Cedar Fair really needs to add something else to this park, so get on that, Cedar Fair. And as always, if you like what we do, give us a like on the video. That really helps us out. Give us a subscribe on YouTube, and like us on Facebook and Instagram, and we'll see you out at the parks.